everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here, and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, it helps me a ton, but I will be putting out stuff to help you guys make some money as well. So I'm going to do another unboxing video. I have about 4 more cases to go through. I'm going to try to do 2 cases a video. So you will see me in the same outfit, and you will also see me in my garage. It's about to rain, and it's just the easiest place right now to do it before I leave for vacation. So I've already busted into the box. Let me go ahead and get through it and show you what I got. I already got a Made by Design mattress pad. I'm only getting about 10 to 15 out of those, just depending on the size, and that one's a queen. So more than likely I'll get 15. This is a twin sheet set. I will have to just make sure that everything is inside and that it's in new shape, and I can expect to get 15 out of this one. All right, it looks like Threshold King, just pillowcase performance set or whatever. And it does look like they've been opened and maybe taken out. So again, I'll have to make sure both are in here, but I can get about 10 bucks out of that guy. All right, Fieldcrest Standard Queen Sham. I will have to fix all this and just make sure that it's still in new shape. And I will list that it's been opened since it's not in new condition as far as the packaging. Okay, this is an Opal House Performance pillowcases. So I get about 10 bucks out of them. And a sheet set. This was $42, it says. I don't know if that's right. Oh, it's a queen bed skirt. Okay, yeah, that's probably about right then. $42 for a queen bed skirt. I will have to look up the brand, but I know it is Target for sure, but I'll get about 20 out of this one. Especially if it's new. Nothing's wrong with it. All right, Project 62 by Nate Burkus. I believe this is, yeah, just a throw, a cream throw. So extremely soft cream throw. I get about 20 out of that. A bed skirt by Shabby Chic, and it says it used to be $62. So as long as it's new and no stains or anything like that, I can expect to get 25 out of this, maybe 20. All right, this is a curtain, a blackout, or no, it's a shower curtain. So I can get 15 out of this shower curtain. It's my threshold. It does look like the package is destroyed, so I'd say 15 is a good number. And I'm just kind of giving you lower numbers, honestly. Fieldcrest Linen Sham, because I do really well with bedding, so I know I've said that in previous videos if you watch me, but I do really well with bedding. All right, this is a sheet set, so I'm not sure what the size is, so I'll have to take off the plastic that they put around it and just see how much, or see what's inside of it and what size. Okay, a Fieldcrest coverlet, new 80 bucks. I can expect to get 40 to 50. I actually just listed one last night and sold it this morning for 55 and free shipping. So fun, because I got another one. Again, new. Oh, this one was 100 bucks new, so this one must be a king. Yeah. See, the other one was a queen. Yeah, full queen, and this one is a king. So this will be a little bit more than the 55 or whatever. I can probably expect to get probably 60, 70 bucks out of it. And I will probably do free shipping. All right, another Fieldcrest one. This one was 100, so that's a king. Yep, king. So this one is a white color. I don't personally like white color, but I actually have been selling a lot of white bedding, so some kind of Minecraft stuffed animal. All right, so this guy is damaged. He's been sewed back up, it looks like. So I won't be selling him. All right, a plunger. This is new because this is still the original plastic, but it's just been busted. So thankfully it's new because I don't want to touch it if it's not new. And this is just a toilet brush. Those will go in a garage sale or sold locally. Nate Burkus pillowcase set, king pillowcase set. Probably like 10 bucks out of this. Sorry, I'm trying to talk a little bit louder because my neighbor is over there cussing at his friends or whoever that is. All right, a king field crest silky soft pillowcase set. I can get about 10 because it does look open, probably 10 to 15 out of this one. The other ones though, I actually just sold 2 that I just listed last night. They sold today for 30 bucks for both of them. All right, this is just a pillow sham. It doesn't, oh, actually I think this, yep, there it is. Here is the original case for this one. It's just field crest. And do I have this one already listed? What is the color? I believe I already have this one listed, so I'm gonna have to see. Those are actually doing really well because it is field crest. This is field crest bed skirt, a linen bed skirt, and it was $52. So I'll get a solid 30 to 35 out of that. And field crest sham again, and this is already listed, but new, it's 20 bucks. I can expect 10 bucks out of it. So that's one box. Let me get another one so I can get it going for this video for you guys. Okay, here goes with the second box. So this looks like a beach set, and this is the reason why I actually bought it, because I knew it would be here next day, and I couldn't find any for us for the beach, so we'll be taking this on our trip. Looks like a pillow sham. I'm not sure, maybe Mario Brothers. Looks like a blackened curtain machine, or curtain machine. This is just blue, like blackout curtain. And again, it's really hard to sell it when there isn't 2 of them, but maybe it'll get put in my garage sale. Let's see. 5-pack. Okay, so I don't think that's right for this. I don't know what this is, honestly. I guess I can bust out the scissors and just see. It looks like a bed skirt, but I mean, not a bed skirt, but a fitted sheet, but I don't know. Maybe it's underwear. No, okay, so somebody just returned. So this is what you get when you're buying uninspected. You have no idea. So this has never happened to me before, but somebody just rolled up a ball of like their socks and clothes and stuff and returned it to the store. I honestly have no idea how they returned it to the store like this, but yeah, that's trash. Okay, just a bowl with a lid. And honestly, I've been keeping a lot of the kitchen stuff that's singles for us and just sanitizing it. All right, this is some kind of, I believe, pillowcase cover, and it's kind of odd to be a pillowcase cover. I'm not sure. All right, this is just a tablecloth cover. This is a really pretty one, so I'll have to take it out and measure it, see what the size is. All right, this is a lunch tote, it looks like, or not a tote, but a little container. And it looks like it used to have some forks and spoons and stuff, and it's not in there now. Garage sale item. And another person pressing, of course. Okay, one piece camel sand. I think this is just a scarf, and it's new with tags. Okay, so I don't know if this is new. Oh, okay. Peel and stick removable wallpaper, and it looks like it's new because it does appear to be sealed. Oh yeah, it's completely sealed. So cool. This is a brick. It's a brick designed by Threshold. Maybe I'll keep it for pictures. We'll see. All right, so this just looks like some kind of water toy, but it does appear to be broken. Oh no, it just needs to be put down here. Okay, so I'm not sure. We'll have to test it out and see what it does. Oh, you connected to the hose right there. Oh, and it lights up. That's really cool. Okay, so it does look like it worked, but we'll see after I plug it in and everything. All right, so a Opal House coaster set. A scrubby brush. That's going to be a garage sale item because it's not sealed. some Scott Brit pads. I think that's Scott Bright. I won't list a lot of this online, but it'll be garage sale stuff. So this is some kind of slide and sculpt discs, so workout discs. Another one of those containers, and it's missing the insert in that one. This is Hearth and Hand with Magnolia plaid curtain. It doesn't look like plaid though. That's what it says. Oh, I'm so glad they put this in a bag, but it looks like some kind of organic sweet almond milk curl defining moisture cream, and that is why I'm glad they put it in a bag, because it is opened. Okay, so it looks like some new with tags Nate Berkus washcloths and stuff, and the tags are actually, maybe they're not new tags. Okay, so these will just be listed in the garage sale. I will not list these online since they are not new tags, especially with everything going on in the world right now. So Pure Clean Styling Gel Garnier Fructis in a separate bag, thankfully. Some kind of band. Some scrubby pads for your sink. Well, rags, I should say. Some more of these sandcastle stuff to build. That'll be fun for the girls to use on the beach. And a pillowcase. Oh, I guess I put this out here and didn't say anything. This looks to be a used bed sheet, so I won't be listing that online. Okay, awesome. This one is new with tags, and it actually has a Target tag still attached, but it is just some kitchen towels. Lost my train of thought. And this looks like just a pillowcase cover for like a small pillow. What is this? Some kind of like basket cover maybe? Yeah, stand non-woven, so it covers like a basket, I would presume. Conair. So I don't know what this would be used for, honestly. Another one of them Opal House coaster sets. Oh, this is cool. This is a huge Caboodles makeup organizer kit, and then some kind of flip-a-zoo dog. Let me just open this and see what's inside. Because it sounds like there's something in there. Keys. Okay, so it's got keys for it. That's pretty cool. I don't really wear makeup, so this will have to get sold. Maybe I could use it for jewelry. We'll see. All right, a pop-up tote. This is perfect. We will definitely be taking this to the beach with us. I didn't know this was in there, but this is a perfect beach tote. Okay, this looks to be used, and it's definitely like a sheet set. A curtain panel. I'm not a huge fan of them using the Scotch tape or whatever to tape them up, but whatever. Shampoo and body wash for babies. Pillowcase covers, it looks like. So a lot of this is going to be garage sale stuff, because I am not going to take the chance of listing it online. Let's see what this is. Again with that masking tape. Oh, cool. It's just an Olaf blanket, it looks like. So this looks like a cleaning. I mean, it's got to be some kind of cleaning product, I hope. Hopefully that's not for decoration. Okay, natural baby stain remover. Okay, so cool. So stain remover for laundry. Now all this liquid stuff we will be keeping and either using, or it will be getting put in the garage sale. I don't like to ship liquid stuff in the mail if I don't have to. All right, let's see what this is. It looks to be a beach. Oh no, it's one of those mermaid tails. It's extremely soft. I like that. A sheet set, and it's definitely been opened, so we'll see if it's new or not. To me prep. Oh, cool. So some kind of meal prep little tote things for your food. They're rubbery too. That's really cool. Oh, because it pops out. And these actually have both pieces in them. That's nice. Yeah, we'll be keeping those for ourselves. Cleaning and then keeping for us. Just a random flower. Pillowcase cover. What is this? Is this a floppy disk? Oh no, it's a charger. That is really cool for an iPhone. I like that. Just a random rag, a random face mask. Some Essentials Foaming Facial Cleaner by Clean and Clear. Another random face mask, a towel, and some small cups. Just palm tree cups, but a lot of them look broken, so. And that's it for this box. This one was uninspected returns. As you can see, this is kind of what you can expect with uninspected returns. So if you're not wanting to take a gamble, just make sure you're buying a case that says new. And then you're guaranteed that they're in new in packages. And if they're not, you contact BULQ and they will reimburse you for what is not. So I'm really excited to get to my next 2 boxes. I won't be listing this stuff until I get back from vacation, just because I'm not going to stress myself out to get it listed, because I'm going to put my closet on vacation mode anyways. So there's no reason to list tons of new items when I have to relax before I get on the road. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Thrifty on a Dime, and I'm going to get to the next 2 for you guys. Thanks so much.